Hello guys, here's Shuli and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe of different kind of fenugreek leaf stir fry. I'm going to make it with chana dal. Chana dal means chickpea lentils. It's really so much delicious with boiled rice or roti chapati as well. So guys, let's see the recipe. At first, I have taken a bundle of fenugreek leaves and now we need to clean them. That means we need to take the leaves only, and after that we need to wash them properly for about 3 times with clean water. And after that, after draining water well, we need to chop them finely. And here along with this, I have taken some green chilies, chopped green chilies according to taste, and 8 to 9 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and half cup of chana dal, that means chickpea lentils. I soaked them for about 3 to 4 hours, and after that I washed them properly. Now in a frying pan I'm adding some cooking oil, and now I'm adding that garlic and green chilies. We don't need a very hot oil, so after heated a little I added the green chilies and the garlic, and we don't need to fry them for a long time. So after frying for about 1 minute on medium heat, I'm adding the chana dal, that means chickpea lentils, in the frying pan. And after adding the chana dal, we need to add some very little quantity of salt and some turmeric powder. We are going to add some more salt after adding the fenugreek leaves. So don't add all the salt you need in this stir fry. So after that, we need to mix everything well, and now I'm going to add some water to cook the lentils. Very little quantity of water, about half cup of water I'm adding. And now on low heat, I'm going to cover the pan for some time. In between, we need to uncover the pan and stir the lentils well and check them. So after about 5 to 6 minutes on low heat, the water is dried up. If the lentils are not cooked yet, you may add some more water if needed. But here our lentils are very well cooked, but they are not being mashed, so it's the perfect time for adding the fenugreek leaves. Now I'm adding a little quantity of fenugreek leaves at first, and now mixing a little to avoid burn from the bottom. And now I'm going to add some more salt, as I said previously. I mean the rest of the salt we need for this stir fry, because I added some salt with the lentils as well. I'm going to mix it again, and after mixing well, I'm going to add all the rest of the fenugreek leaves. Okay, it's done. I'm adding all the fenugreek leaves rest. I'm spreading them on the frying pan, in the frying pan, and now I'm not going to stir it. I'm covering it on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, some water has been released from the fenugreek leaves. After mixing and stirring well, I'm going to cover the pan again on low heat now. Okay, on low heat I'm going to cover the pan, and after about 3 to 4 minutes again we're going to check it. So after about 4 minutes, the water is dried up, but it's not very dry now. So I'm going to check the methi, that means fenugreek leaves. The stem part, I'm going to check it, and it's well cooked. That means our stir fry is almost ready. Now you may dry it more if you want, and at the end of this recipe you may add some fresh chopped coriander leaves if you like, or if available. I didn't have them, so I'm skipping them. Now our stir fry is ready. Now I'm serving it. You may serve it with roti or chapati or dal chawal. Dal chawal means boiled rice and lentils curry, and you may serve it with only rice as well. It's so much delicious. So don't forget to try this simple recipe at home, and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.